Today our video is going to be about special angles. We're going to talk about complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent angles. First, we're going to look at our definitions. Complementary angles are two angles who measure equal 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measures equal 180 degrees. When you think of supplementary, think of straight line, and a straight line is 180 degrees. Vertical angles are angles formed by two lines and have equal measures. So, if you intersect these two lines, you can see this angle right here and this angle right here are going to be equal, and these angles are going to be equal. Adjacent angles are angles that share a vertex and a side. So, these are going to be adjacent angles because they share this common side. Alright, so we're going to look at two examples of just complementary and supplementary. So, this first example, we have a 90-degree angle. One angle is 70 degrees. So, if we say 90 minus 70, we know that the other angle is going to be 20 degrees. The next example, we have a straight line, which means it's 180 degrees. One angle equals 45, so 180 minus 45 means that our other angle is 135 degrees. Now let's look at this. If we look, this is what we talked about before. And we're going to start with angle 1. And we know that this is 120 degrees because they give it to us. So it's given. So now let's use our vertical angles. So if this is 120 degrees, angle 1, angle 3 is also going to be 120 degrees because they're vertical angles. All right, and now we can look at number 2. This is a straight line, so we can use the rule of supplementary angles. If angle 1 is 120, we're going to say 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees for angle 2. And supplementary is going to be the reason why. And then angle 4, if we knew angle 2, its vertical angle is 4. So 60 degrees, vertical angle. All right, let's try this one. It says the angle SAX, which is this one right here, is 118 degrees. And the angle MAX is 65. What is SAM? So if we have 118, which is the whole angle, minus 65, because they are adjacent angles, this will work. 118 minus 65 is 53 degrees. So this angle is 53 degrees. All right, now we're going to get into a few more complex figures. So it says PMA, which is going to be this angle right here. PMA is 68. And MPA right here is 48. They want to know A. So A is going to be N, T, and M. So this is a smaller triangle if you look right here. So if we have 68 plus 48 plus X is 180. So 68 plus 48 plus is 116 is 180. So 180 minus 116 is 64. So then to find A, we can use our supplementary angles because it's a straight line and say 180 minus 64 means this side is 116 degrees. So in order to find T, we can look at our bigger triangle right here and say this is 48. This is a square, so it's 90. So 48 plus 90 plus T equals 180. 48 plus 90 is 138. 180 minus 138, T is 42 degrees. So these are the types of things you're going to have to do. You're going to have to understand vertical, complementary, supplementary, and adjacent to be able to solve these triangles within triangles. So make sure you bring your notes on Monday, and we will start working with that.